Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead, taking us through Thanksgiving. And we still have the same pattern here across North America with a big ridge off the west coast, troughing us over Canada. You can see where the cold air is coming from way up here in northern Alaska, all the way down into the middle of the country. So this is the source of the chilly temperatures, and this is going to persist for the next several days. As far as your forecast, don't expect a whole lot of change, as we really won't see a whole lot as far as rain probably until the middle part of next week. Robbins Toyota Futurecast shows a mostly clear sky tonight. Could see a few clouds over the northern sections of the area, as there's going to be a weak front basically reinforcing the cooler air moving into the region. Tomorrow we'll see a partly cloudy sky across the area. Should be a pretty nice day, although a bit of a chilly day. Tomorrow night we'll begin to watch a disturbance which is going to be moving across the Gulf of Mexico. You can see the clouds increasing as a result of that disturbance tomorrow night, and it's possible we could see a few sprinkles over the southern edge of the area. Saturday we'll see the clouds persist basically near and south of Interstate 20. A little bit more sunshine over the northern sections of the Arklatex. Now your 10-day pattern shows that we'll see a few more disturbances next week. As we move this forward, you can see one disturbance moving into basically the desert southwest Saturday. It'll give us a small chance of rain Monday, mainly over the southern sections of the area, and then we'll be watching a couple of disturbances. This one right here looks like it's going to play the biggest role in giving us some rainfall. Earlier in the week, it looked like this would bring us the rain, which would be heavier. But since this is going to play the bigger role, it looks like rainfall should be somewhat limited for our area, and the rainfall chances will be highest Wednesday night and Thanksgiving Day, and then we should dry out as we head into Thanksgiving weekend. And because that northern disturbance taking more prominence, models have really backed off on the amount of rain they're projecting. It looks like, generally speaking, around a half an inch would be reasonable now as far as an expectation for pretty much all of the Arklatex. Can't rule out the heavier totals, but again, half an inch with a few scatter locations, maybe getting an inch over the southern sections of the area. So your forecast for tonight is looking mostly clear. Temperatures across the Arklatex will be cold, as we'll settle into the upper 20s to lower 30s across the area. Tomorrow I expect to see lots of sunshine for most of us. It'll be rather cool once again with highs in the 50s, 58 in Natchitoches, 57 in Shreveport, 52 degrees I should say for the high in Texarkana. Look at the normal, still in the upper 60s, so temperatures tomorrow some 10 to 15 degrees below normal for this time of year. 10-day forecast shows the 50s will linger, on days where we see more clouds, we'll see highs in the lower 50s. Lows will stay in the 30s until Tuesday, and then starting Tuesday we'll see highs in the lower 60s, and those milder temperatures will linger through the rest of the 10-day period. Rainfall chances right now looking highest for Wednesday night into Thanksgiving Day. And by the way, severe weather looks extremely unlikely for our area given this particular pattern. So all in all, chilly, the theme for the next several days, as our chance of rain will begin to increase Wednesday night and for Thanksgiving Day.